To become a data scientist, these are the important topics you must know by heart. At your workplace, you will be receiving a lot of type of data files. First one is structured data, most widely used type of data. These are stored in relational databases, Google Sheet, Excel sheets, and they are separated by rows and columns. The second one is the semi-structured data sets, such as HTML, XML, CSV files, and even the JSON files. Most of the web developers are familiar with this type of data sets. Semi-structured data are broadly used because of compact structure, high adaptability, and even as a selling product by organizations. And lastly, we will be speaking about unstructured data sets, such as images, videos. They have become very common in the past years because of advanced camera and storage facilities. Unstructured data is the biggest influencer for big data. Data repos are a storage space to deposit data. Data scientists mine data from data repos. The major type of data repos are relational databases, data warehouse, and data marts. SQL Server database, MySQL database, Amazon Redshift, Snowflake, Azure databases, they all are the examples of data repos. Now, data scientists share similar work with other titles. Also, they follow very similar workflow. I will highly advise you to check out my other videos for more in-depth talks. The topic machine learning itself is a subject. I have listed some amazing books you must buy to learn this topic. Check out the description to find these amazing books and buy them now. Highly used machine learning model, supervised learning. Supervised learning is used on a dataset that contain a target variable. Based on all the variables, we make our algorithm and run tests to measure results. Something like this. Unsupervised learning is used on a dataset without the target variable. We use clustering and association in unsupervised learning. 23andMe is a very famous data-driven company, which you must aspire from. Check out the case study in the description to know more.